Martin Kasavuli and the entire Kasavuli family, we are here to stand with you. In my community, there is a saying, people can only build for you with the trees or the poles that you have yourself cut. We are all here because Catherine meant something to us, or members of the family meant something to us. Many have spoken. Catherine was many things to many people. But one thing unmistakable, Catherine always had a smile, an amiable lady, a person who loved people and loved life, a person who performed her duties with excellence, always ready to help. I met Catherine, we met as adults in Nairobi, she working for the media, me practicing at the courts and later as a politician. Catherine was always available to help when anyone needed her. And I want to say that she is gone, but her spirit lives on. Martin is very much like the mother, amiable and always ready to help. And I want to thank Mama Rachel Kasavuli for raising such a great daughter of Kenya.